Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw funds from Fundrise distributions. Quick tutorial step by step. To withdraw funds from your Fundrise distributions, start by logging into your Fundrise account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Investments tab in the main menu. Click on that tab to view your investment details. Next, locate the Distributions section. Here, you'll see the funds available for withdrawal. Select the amount you wish to withdraw. After that, click on the Withdraw button. A withdrawal request form will appear on your screen. Fill in the required information, including your preferred withdrawal method. If applicable, provide your banking details for direct deposits. Review the details of your withdrawal request carefully. Make sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Once reviewed, submit your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation of your request via email. Keep an eye on your account for updates on the status of your withdrawal. Withdrawals typically take a few business days to process. If there are any issues, check your email for communication from Fundrise. Follow any additional instructions provided in case of delays. And that's it. You successfully initiated a withdrawal from your Fundrise distributions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.